How to fix runtime error 76 path not found in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. This method works by removing the current installation of the program, which may be corrupt or incomplete, and replacing it with a fresh install. This can resolve issues where the program files have been moved, deleted, or corrupted, which may cause the issue. Find the program in question and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts to remove the program. Restart your computer. Reinstall the program from the original installation source. Compatibility mode allows older programs designed for previous versions of Windows to run on the newer operating system. Right-click on the program's shortcut or executable file. Select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode 4. If that didn't work, if that didn't work, click the link in the description of this video. Download and install all the missing versions, including the x84 and x64 versions, of Visual Studio. Once done, restart your system and see if the error persists. If that didn't work, System Restore can revert your computer's state to a previous point in time when the error did not occur. This can be effective if recent changes to the system are causing the error.